Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Book It and Cook It. This month we're going to make homemade spaghetti sauce. The spice of the month for the Spice It Up Club at the library is basil, so we'll be using that in our recipe today. And our recipe comes from Taste to Home, I believe, and I will share it in the comments below in the description. So we're going to get started here. It's just a very easy recipe. You just combine all the ingredients together and let it simmer for an hour and a half or so. So let's get started. So in this pan I have 2 tablespoons of, or teaspoons, excuse me, of olive oil. And we're going to add to that about a cup or so of onions and 3 cloves of garlic. Get that all out of there. And we're going to cook this over medium to low heat until the onions become soft. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back and show you the rest of the ingredients in just a few minutes. Okay, I have the softened up along with the garlic. So now we're going to add 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, and I have 2 15-ounce cans, so it'll be a little more than the 28 ounces. And we have 6 ounces of tomato paste. So we're going to add those in now. And turn our heat down. And the tomato paste. And then we're going to stir that all together. And we need to add 12 ounces of water as well. So you can use your tomato paste can and get 2 cans of water. So I'll be right back. Okay, our water is in there. And we're going to let this cook for just a couple minutes. And then we're going to add dried basil, red pepper flakes, and salt. And it's a tablespoon of the dried basil, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And if this gets to be too acidity, you can add a little bit of sugar to it to break up the acid in the tomatoes. We'll add all of this stuff in here and some pepper. And then you're simply going to stir this together and let it come up to a simmer, and then put a lid on it and let it simmer for an hour to an hour and a half. And then your sauce is basically done, and you can serve this on anything, any kind of pasta or with breadsticks or anything like that. I have some breadsticks in the freezer, so we may have to get those out and try it with this. So I'm going to let this simmer away for the next hour or so, and then come back and show you what it looks like when it's all finished. Our tomato sauce is coming along well, or spaghetti sauce. So it has about another 10 minutes or so, and I just have it on simmer. And then we're going to serve it with some pasta, some ravioli, and some breadsticks. So I will show you the finished product in a few minutes. Welcome back. Okay, our meal is finished. The spaghetti sauce is cooked, and I've plated it here with some ravioli and some breadsticks. So we'll give this a taste. As you can see, it's really, really hot. That's really good. I hope you try this recipe out. It's really simple to do. You probably could can this if you wanted to. As I said, I'll put the recipe in the description below. And I hope you all have fun trying this recipe out and look forward to the next one.